Hi, I'm Andrei from Simplenet, and today I'll show you how to install WordPress from cPanel. First, log into your cPanel account, and before you install WordPress, make sure you have an SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt SSL. I have my certificate here installed. Then go to Domains, make sure the redirection to HTTPS is on, and then you can install WordPress. Go to WP Toolkit, click on the Install WordPress button. Here you can change your website title if you want to. On the plugin theme set, you have two options, None and Simplenet. Choose None if you want a default WordPress instance, or choose Simplenet if you want to build your website with our tools. I will choose None for now. You can change your website language, select a different version, change your username, your password, add your own email. You can change the database name, prefix, username, and password if you want. And you can also change the automatic update settings. Or you can just leave them like they are now, the default. Click Install. This will take a minute. You can see the details here. Downloading and unpacking, creating database, configuring the installation, and securing the website. When it's done, this will prompt you to install plugins or not. I'm not going to install any plugins. You can click Open the website, and there's your default WordPress install. Click Login to go to the admin interface. And that's it.